It gives me an enormous pleasure to welcome you to Icra 2023, the world's greatest robotic conference due to be held in London in 2023. The International Conference on Robotics and Automation, or Icra for short, will once again bring together the world's top roboticists and leading industry representatives, creating an unparalleled platform for idea sharing, networking, and the dissemination of state-of-the-art research. Under the auspices of IEEE's Robotics and Automation Society, Icra will be delivering a world-class program of activities. Given our event's theme of embracing the future, making robots for humans, we look forward to shining a spotlight on important high-impact innovations in robotics and automation that demonstrate clear and obvious benefits to humanity. The timing of Icra's first appearance in the UK could not be more opportune. In recent years, robotics research in the UK has blossomed. The country is now clearly a major player on the world stage. We are proud to have become a vibrant hub of research distinction in a wide range of robotics and autonomous systems, with a government that continues to promote and indeed fund robotics as one of its key strategic technologies. London, of course, provides an amazing backdrop to any international event, with its iconic landmarks, formidable history, and diverse cosmopolitan culture. But equally important is our rich academic heritage, with an unprecedented number of world-class universities and institutions now conducting cutting-edge research in robotics, AI, and automation. Come join us in London for Icra 2023. We can guarantee you an unforgettable experience, both professionally and personally. This is one you won't want to miss. Icra 2023, 29th of May to 2nd of June, Excel, London.